Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How to very easily earning the online platform, the data entry job. Very simple work. The every person the easily how to make money, how to earn money. The Fiverr marketplace, the data entry and Upwork marketplace. The international, the best marketplace Upwork and Fiverr. Newly freelancer and newly people you have the joining the Fiverr and Upwork, the very simple work. Data entry is a very simple work. Data mining, data I can suggest just data entry. Full UC profile visited, data entry, data mining, Excel data entry, CRM data entry, data spanning, copy paste work, data conversion, Shopify product list, WordPress data entry, PDF to Excel, Word, JPG to Excel, Word, typing Excel, e-commerce product listing, web research and web spanning, scalping. Very easy work. Data entry, your hands is computer, your Word, Excel documents, image, Google data, LinkedIn data, social media data, lot of work. Very simple, easy. You can try to practice them. Lot of knowledge and tutorial, online tutorial, YouTube videos, and you can first time you select and you write decision, you think the earn money of online platform, this marketplace Fiverr and Upwork. I can request them even very easy and simple work, the data entry job. Data entry job, lot of work available work, the marketplace Fiverr and Upwork. You can just make offer gig, Fiverr gig, Upwork is application, your work portfolio. You can practice Google data entry, social media data entry, influencer data entry, YouTube, a lot of data, YouTube data, all things work is handles of data entry, offline data entry and online data entry. So you can practice the online platform, lot of OI, the make data entry, create data entry, data research, data analytic, etc. You can how to make money the Fiverr marketplace, and a lot of people that earn money $1,000 make money on Fiverr marketplace and Upwork marketplace. Data entry job. Data entry, the two part, the one part of offline data entry and online data entry. The maximum freelancer the earn make money the offline data entry. Then you can work start to now the how to make money gain of online platform. This is the specific total specific traffics and few guideline, original guideline, earn money on Fiverr marketplace. Data entry job, data entry, data mining, Excel data entry, CRM data entry, data scalping, copy paste work, data conversion, Shopify product listing, WordPress data entry, PDF to Excel, Word data entry, PDF to Excel, JPG to Excel and Word data entry, e-commerce product listing, website research and web scalping. Very simple work. Lot of buyer just you offering your website, name, address, phone number, business details, etc. Very easy work. You just online Google search, the lot of data, receive the maximum data, collect Excel sheet in very easy. I can practical class then of Excel data entry. Thank you very much. You can practice how to make money, how to earn money, gain money, the very easy and right way income, the data entry job, data entry, data mining, copy paste, Excel data entry. Thank you. Best of luck.